Hello, good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about what are the chapters that are going to come in your first class test. Okay, first monthly test. Okay, so this trigonometry is one of the first chapter, one of the chapter that is going to come in your monthly test. Okay, so this is the first. This is the topic that I'm going to discuss. I'm going to revise this chapter today. So tomorrow I'll do it the next chapter. So the next day I'll do the next chapter. That means altogether three chapters. They are going to come in your examination. Okay, in your first monthly test. And as I have already discussed you all that so there will be the paper from the school itself, and you need to have a very strict examination. I guess so. We will be monitoring you and all. So always be careful. So in case of math, you need to be perfect in formula. If you know the formula, the second thing you needed is the technique. Okay, only two things are required in math. One is the formula. So next one will be the technique. Okay, so if you are perfect in these two things, you are perfect in mathematics. Nobody can stop you. Okay, but somebody thinks that mathematics is a very difficult subject. I don't know math. Okay, so that is on your mind. Okay, so that should be removed. That thing is in your mind, so it should be removed, completely removed. So 2 plus 2 ke 4 and around then are one line. Awesome. Okay, so 5 so cut you 25 money around then. So you know it. Okay, so the same thing. So in case of math also, trigonometry, so it is a triangle. Okay, so opposite of 90 is called what? Opposite of reference is called what? I told you time and again. So the thing is, somebody they are not so taking it very seriously. That means they knows everything. Okay, so somebody they are not taking it seriously. Okay, so they may be busy in the PUBG or something like that. The person who can play the PUBG and Free Fire properly, they are always good in math. That means you are good in math. Aren't you playing PUBG? So there is a mind required over there. So aren't you playing that one? You are playing, isn't it? Okay. So that is a actually that is a waste of time, my dear. Okay, so you waste of time. Your gadgets are getting dying slowly. Okay, your gadget means your mobile phone, so it is dying slowly because too much excessive use of that mobile phone, because of that more that games and all that will hamper your mind as well as your mobile phone also, right? So be careful. So okay, so what happened to my voice now? Okay, so here, so we are going to discuss the first topic, that is called the trigonometry. Okay, so the opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse, as we have discussed before. Okay, the opposite of 90 cancer 90 go opposite side, so this is called hypotenuse. So always remember two things. So one is the opposite of 90, opposite of reference. Opposite of 90 is called reference, opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse, and opposite of reference angle 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree जतिसुकै angle दिएको छ. Okay, theta, alpha, whatever it is given. So if this type of things are given, then the opposite of this is called the perpendicular. Otherwise we can call it opposite also. Okay, so perpendicular baniन्छ, we call it perpendicular. Hey, so be careful, because we need in class 9 also, sorry, class 10 also. Hey, so we need in the higher classes also, so be careful. So the opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse. The opposite of reference, or there's any angle if it is given, then that is called the perpendicular. Otherwise we call it opposite. Okay, and the next one is if both the things are lying on the same side, that means 90 is also there, there is a reference angle is also there. So if both the things are on the same line, then what we call it? So we call it base, otherwise we call it adjacent. Okay, so normally we write down like this. So this is called perpendicular. Sorry, my handwriting has gone very bad with the mouse. Okay, so let me type instead. So perpendicular, and this part is called base. Okay, so adjacent is also called base, and this opposite is also called perpendicular. And one more thing, so again, let us have a short revision. The opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse. The opposite of reference angle is called perpendicular. Sorry, so the opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse. The opposite of reference angle is called perpendicular, and where both the things are lying, so that is called the base. Okay, so if you remember this one, trigonometry is very easy. Okay, so let me go to the next. Okay, so we have already done everything before itself. This is just a short revision. Okay, so same thing is written over here, and one more formula is there. So somebody, they may know the formula of the formula. So the English rhyme is there, the Nepali rhyme is there. So tell me, without looking, so can you say me the rhymes of this sine, cos, and tan? Without looking. Okay, so try to just repeat that rhyme. Okay, so that you can memorize that. Memorize the formula. Okay, so that is the some portion has curly brown here, turns permanently black. Okay, so some portion has curly brown here, turns permanently black. Okay, so what does it mean now? So sum means S, sine, cos, tan. These are the sine, cos, tan. Right? Sine means P by H, cos means B by H, tan means P by B. Okay, so somebody, if somebody I will ask that what is the formula of tan, then you can say that turns permanently black. Permanently means P, black means B, P by B. Okay, so P by B is the answer. Okay, so look at here. So tan means P by B. Is it? So cos. Okay, so if somebody will ask the formula of cos without looking the formula, okay, without looking at this, looking at the screen, okay, you can easily see maybe. Okay, so curly, it is curly what? Brown here. That means B here, H. That means B by H. So is it B by H? Okay, B by H. And what about the sign? Sign means, so some portion has, that means P and H is there. Portion P has H. Okay, so that means P by H. P by H. Okay, so this is the formula of sign. Otherwise, there is a Nepali one also, Nepali version also. Okay, one of my student in the previous school, he has told me about this one. Okay, so I was very, so I laughed before. Okay, so listening this rhyme, and now I am following this one because I liked that one. Okay, so though I laughed, but I liked this rhyme very much. So sign pen haray. Oh, sign pen haray. कसले भेटियो होला टेन्सन पर्यो बिचारालाई. Okay, so that in that way also you can memorize. So sine is P by H, cos B by H, and tan P by B. So in that way we can memorize. And if you memorize in this way, so after 50 years, if your grandchildren will ask you what is the formula of tan, then also you can say tan means P by B. Tension पर्यो बिचारालाई, others turns permanently black. That is P by B. Okay, understood or not? So try to memorize in that way so that you can memorize after many years also. Okay, so let me go to the next. So that was the formula. Okay, and the next formula is also there, the last formula of this chapter. So this is the one. Okay, so h square equals to p square plus b square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. H square equals to p square plus b square. Okay, so till now, what are the formulas that we have learned? So one is we have learned what is P, what is B, and what is H. Okay, so next thing we have learned the formula of sine, cos, and tan. So next one we have learned this Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem means H square equals to P square plus B square. And these chapters and all, so you have already learned in optional math also. Right? So maybe these chapters will not be too difficult for you. And this chapter I have already taught you all. Okay, so this is also a revision. So there may not be so much difficulties. Okay, so let me clear it. So if you have missed these videos and all, so previously, so please go to the YouTube and you can go to the playlist. Recorded version, everything is there. Okay, so here, okay, to see the previous videos, you can go to Samir Sakya. Okay, so I'm not promoting my video, but I am just showing you. Okay, so if you have missed out and if you want to revise it, you just type Samir Sakya. Okay, you'll get this icon. So click it. Okay, and yeah, you need to go in playlist. Okay, so not if you go scroll down, so you may be confused to what other and what things you need to search it. Okay, so let us go to the search playlist. Okay, and from the playlist you can go to class 9. You need class 9, isn't it? Grade 9. So either compulsory math you can go, otherwise you can go to class 9 accounts also if you have missed out some of the videos. And if you click it over here, you'll get all the questions, all the videos that is already taught during a classes. Okay, so we have learned. Okay, so some of the students are also here. Okay, so Chris is there and different people are there. Okay, so they have never missed the class before. Okay, so I'm so happy with them. So these are the classes that we have learned so far. So if you have missed, okay, Nani Babu, so if you have missed, you can so see from here, and as well as you can go to, if it is not so clear, okay, you can go to the setting. Okay, it is present in your mobile phone also, and just increase the quality. Okay, so it will increase the quality of your video. So if you do the full screen, then you are going to learn it very wisely. Okay, so you can see very clearly everything. You can go in the same way in your mobile phone also. Okay, so you will see everything. Okay, every details you can see it properly. Otherwise, what about the Google Classroom? So in the Google Classroom also we have already so we are sending the videos and all. Okay, so you can go to class 9 accounts. Okay, otherwise you can go to class 9 mathematics. Mathematics is over here. Okay, so many folders are there of mine. Okay, you need to go to the classwork and you will see all the videos that we have already learned till now. Okay, just you need to click and you need to see the videos. Okay, so videos are here, so you need to click it and the video are going to be played. Okay, so in this way, so we can learn, we can revise it. So recorded version. So this is the advantage of recorded version. So you can listen the teacher's way of teaching. Okay, so anytime you like. Okay, so now let me go to our studies now. Study time now. So here, so reference angle, the opposite of reference angle is called perpendicular. So let us write down perpendicular. Okay, so this is perpendicular. So let us write down opposite of reference angle is called perpendicular, and the opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is not given. Okay, and right now, so what is this one? If both 90 and reference angle is there, then what do we call it? We call it base. Okay, so this is not there. That means we need to find out this one. Hypotenuse निकाल्नु पर्यो तिमीहरूले, isn't it? Okay, so hypotenuse निकाल्ने. Now, so what is the question actually? So perpendicular is AB. This is perpendicular. Perpendicular is AB. Okay, यो line कसरी बनेछ? A र B ले बनेछ. That's why AB. AB is 30 centimeter. So base is how much? Base is BC. Okay, BC is 40 centimeter. So hypotenuse is not given. AC is not given. So AC is equals to question mark. And what is the formula of 10? So 10 means P by B. Tension per bichara. That means 10 turns permanently black. P by B. So do we have P by B or not? P and B, both the values are there. Okay, 30 by 40, both the values are there. That means, so H, no need to find out. Okay, H find now huncha. Okay, but for practice, what I told you to do, so I told you to find out the value of H also. Okay, so why you need to find out the value of H? For the practice. Okay, so let us find out the value of H. Find H value. Okay, so H is square. So what is the formula? If there is PB and H, if somebody is missing, if something is missing, what will be the formula? PB and H formula ke huncha. So H is the main hero. H for hero. Okay, so H will be in the front. Okay, so h square equals to p square plus b square. So h, what is the value of h? H means AC. AC square, because there is square, so AC square equals to perpendicular. Perpendicular means AB square plus, so base is how much? BC. BC means BC square huncha, so BC square means 40 square. Okay, now let me clear everything again. Then, so AB, what is the value of AB? 30. BC, it is 40. So 30 square means 3 square. 3 square means 9. If there is 1 0, make it 2 zeros. 4 square means 16. So 1 0, square of 1 0 will be 2 zeros. Okay. So 16 plus 9, it will be 25, 0 0. And the square root of this number will be 50 square. So AC equals to 50 centimeter. Okay, now what you are asked to find out? So you are asked to find out the value of 10. Okay, so I told you just before also, if hypotenuse, if the base is not required, if the hypotenuse is not required, why to find hypotenuse? Okay, what it is just done for the practice only. Okay, न find नगर्दा पनि हुन्थ्यो किनभने h त निकाल्नु परे छैन हामीलाई. We not need h right now. Okay, so this was just for the practice only. But if you want to do it, you can do it. Obviously you can do it, because sometimes not only 10, you are asked to find out the value of sine also, sometimes cos also. H sine hypotenuse, you need hypotenuse. Okay, so h means AC, you AC one, h hypotenuse is 50 centimeter, you got the value. Okay, so 10 theta equals to b by b, so p by b. So p, what is the value of p? So p means AB. AB is 30, and B means how much? BC. BC means 40. Okay, so AB by BC, so 30 divided by 40. Okay, this is the value of AB. This is the value of AB. AB is 30 centimeter, and BC is how much? 40 centimeter. So 0 0 will be cancelled. So 3 by 4 will be the answer. Your beautiful answer. Okay, so in this way you can solve the answers. Is it okay or not? Okay, so next thing, I told you how to memorize this number also, the values also. So sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. So I told you to memorize with your hands, fingers. Okay, so sine 0, it is 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Okay, so root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2. And so sine 90 equals to 1. So these are the values. Okay, and how this has come, I have already explained you. Okay, you can see the previous video. Others, let me explain you again. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 unit write down. Then divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4 you need to do, and square root all the numbers. Okay, so 0 by 4 means 0. So root under 0 means 0. So 1 by 4 means it is the 1 square. So this means 2 square. Okay, so square will be cancelled. So it will be 1 by 2. So this is cancelled. So 1 means 1 square. So 1 is outside the root. So 2 means it is not the square number. So it will be inside the root 2. Okay. So 3 is not the square number. So root 3. So 4 is the square number. So it is 2 square. So square and square root will be cancelled. So 2 is outside the root. Okay. So 4, let us cancel. So 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. That means it is 1. Okay, so 1 means it is 1 square. So 1 square means square and square root will be cancelled. So 1 will be the answer over here. Okay, so in this way we got the values. And talking about cos, so what is the value of cos 0? What is the value of cos 30? 170. Just you need to reverse the number. So instead of writing 0, 1 by 2, root 1 by root 2, so root 3 by 2 and 1, so you need to reverse it. So 1, okay, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0 you need to write down. Okay, if you know this number, you can easily memorize this number also. So 1 0 1 by 0 0 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1 will be the value. And here also you need to just revise this one. Yala ulta पढ्ने त 0 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. यसलाई ठिक उल्टोबाट पढ्ने त. Sometimes you say like this, isn't it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, do we say like that or not? Okay, so यसरी नै उल्टा पारेर भने त. So 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. Okay, so that is the number for cos also. Okay, And in case of 10, so 0, I told you memorize in this way. So 10 0 means 0, 10 90 means infinity. Okay, so 10 45 means 1. So 10 45 means 1, so 10 90 means infinite. Okay, otherwise undefined pani bhaniन्छ, and 10 0 means 0. So this 3 पहिला याद गरौँ. Then after that 3 याद गरौँ भनेपछि 3 हो. Okay, so 10 means root 3. Okay, so 10 भनेको root 3 याद गरौँ. So 30 is cancel, that's why 1 by root 3 तल बस्छ नि त cancel त है. So 1 by root 3. Okay, so 10 9 60 means it is root 3. Okay, so ठुलो चाहिँ माथि बस्छ, cancel चाहिँ तल बस्छ. 1 by root 3 यहाँ root 3. Okay, so that will be the value of 10. So please memorize all these values so that it will be easy for you to get the value. Suppose sin 45 भन्यो अरे. What is the value of sin 45? Sin 45 means it is 1 by root 2. So by closing your eyes, tell me sin 60 equals to sin 60 equals to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 उल्टोबाट भन्ने त 1 root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2. Sin 45 sin 45 भन्नाले sin 45 means भने अनि त्यसपछि 1 by root 2 फ्याट भन्नु पर्यो. Okay, so 10 45 means 1. Okay, so 1 के केमा हुन्छ? Sin 90 means 1, cos 0 means 1, and 10 45 means 1. So sin 0 means sin 0 के केमा हुन्छ? Sin 0 means 0, cos 90 means 0, and 10 0 means 0. Okay, sometimes this will also be asked. Okay, so यस्तो गर्ने 1, in which value you will get 1 in sin 90. Okay, कतिमा चाहिँ 1 आउँछ? sin 90 मा आउँछ. So in which value you will get 0 in cos? 0 केमा आउँछ cos मा? It is cos 90. 0. You'll get this the value of 0 in cos 90. In which value you'll get 1 by 2 in sin? It is sin 30. के उल्टो पुल्टो सबै पढौँ. So यसो गरौँ, wrap हानौँ. So 0 1 by 2, 0 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Okay, so in this way you can memorize and ulta pani padam ta. So 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. Okay, so if you can memorize in this way, okay, so it will be very easy for you because first one 0 also 30 also 45 also 60 also 90 also. Okay, so in that way you can memorize. Okay, so let us come to the real question now. Okay, so sin 45 cos 45. So sin 45 means 1 by root 2, cos 45 means 1 by root 2 only. Is it? Now, so 1 into 1, 1 square, root 2 into root 2, root 2 square. Square and square root will be cancelled. So 1 square means 1. Okay, so root 2, so root will be cancelled, so 2 will be outside. So 1 by 2 will be the answer over here. Understood or not? So this 2 and root 2 will be cancelled, so 2 will be outside, so 1. 1 by 2 will be the answer. So sin 60 means root 3 by 2. Sin 60 means root 3 by 2. Cos 30 means it is root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2. Now, so root 3 into root 3 it will be root 3 square. Okay, root 3 into root 3, that means a into a square minus the root 3 into root 3 square. So square and square root will be cancelled. So 2 to the, we are not multiplying. You multiply again. Square means you need to multiply the same number. You tolapotiko number, you need to repeat the number. So 2 square means it will be 4. So 2 4. So 3 by 4. Okay, so let us see the next one. So sin 30 means 1 by 2. Cos 60 means 1 by 2. So take the LCM. So 2 will be the LCM. So if LCM is 2, so let us write down the upper number. 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 means 0. 0 by 2. So 0 by 2 means 0. Okay, so 0 will be the answer. So sine 30 means 1 by 2. Is it? Sine 30 means 1 by 2. Plus 10 30 means how much? 10 30 means it is 1 by root 3. Okay, so 1 by root 3. But talapati the root hundaina. Okay, we should not keep the root down there. Talapati the numerator ma denominator ma, we should not keep the root. So what you need to do? So there is no root, so let us write on 1 by 2 plus. So here what you need to do? So 1 by root 2 into, so what is the number inside the root? There is root 3. Okay, root 3 se ta, so root 3 le multiply garne, root 3 divided by root 3. Okay, so 1 by root 3 lekhne into, so root 3 divided by root 3. So this process is called rationalization. Okay, 1 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Okay, so 1 by 2 plus, so 1 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, it will be root 3 square. Okay, root 3 square. So square root will be cancelled. So this will be 3. Okay, so root 3 by 3 huncha eta. So after that, okay, so I missed one line over here. So 3 to the 6. Okay, so 6. So what is the number up? There is 1 into. Okay, so you need to multiply this number to this side. Okay, so 3 1 is 3 plus, what is the number above? Root 3 into. Okay, so if they are not same, you need to multiply, cross multiply the numbers. Okay, so 2, we need to multiply by 2. So 2 goes this side, and finally, so 3 1 is 3 plus 2 root 3 means, so root 3 into 2, it will be 2 root 3 divided by 6 will be the answer. Okay, so if the numbers are not same, so then you need to multiply 2 into 3, it will become 6. Then so 3 will multiply this side, 2 will multiply this side, and there is going to be a LCM. Okay, so in that way you'll get the answer for this number. Okay, so that means you need to know the values of all the numbers. Okay, so these are the things that you need to revise from this chapter. Okay, so these all the things you have already done before also. So let me teach this one also without using calculator. So 10 square 45, 10 square 45 means 10 45 means how much? 1 square is there, so let us write in square plus, so cos 45 means it is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Okay, there is square, so let us write in square, all square, and this square is for both the number. Square duitai ka lagi ho, it is for 1 also, it is for root 2 also. Okay, so 1 square means 1 because 1 on the 1. Okay, so 1 to the 2 हैन यो, 1 into 1 भनेको 1 square means 1 into 1, it is 1 plus, so square you have given to both the number 1 square divided by root 2 square. So square will be cancelled, so 1 square means 1, root 2 square, so this and this will be cancelled, so 2 will be there. So take the LCM, so 2 will be the LCM, so 2 will multiply this side, so 2 1 is 2 plus it will be 1. So 2 plus 1, it becomes 3, 3 by 2 will be the answer. Okay, so in a similar way, you need to do all the numbers. We have all done these answers already. Okay, so you यसरी नै गर्नुपर्ने, just put the value and simplify, you will get the answers of all the numbers. Okay, so this is a short revision how to do it. And let us see this number also, okay, as a last number. So in a right angle triangle ABC, so if 10A equals to, if 10A equals to 1, then verify that. Okay, so verify that. So 2 10A cos A equals to 1. Okay, so where is the value? Sin A cos A equals to 1. Okay, but what is the value of A? What is the value of A? Okay, so that value of A we don't know. So let us find out the value of A. I told you to memorize. So कतिमा चाहिँ 1 हुन्छ अरे 10 को? 10A equals to 1. Okay, so कतिमा चाहिँ 10 को value 1 हुन्छ? Do you remember? in which value we will get 1? 10, 45 equals to 1. Right? 10, 45 equals to 1. Look at here. So 10a equals to 1. So 1 means 1045. 1045 भनेको 1 हो क्या okay? So 1045. So 1 means 1045. So instead of 1, we can write down 1045. Then after that, so 10 and 10 will be cancelled. So a equals to how much? 45. So a को value कति रहेछ? 45. Cancel चाहिँ गर्ने होइन है. So we cannot show the cancelling. Cancel चाहिँ गर्ने होइन. So a equals to 45. Suppose if there is 1 by root 3, then you need to write down 10, 6, 10, 30. So 10, 10, 0 then. Sorry, if there is 0, then you need to write down 10, 0. Okay. So from the value also you need to convert sometime. So a को value कति रहेछ? 45 रहेछ. So 10 and 10 will be cancelled, but we cannot show the cancelling. Cancel गरेर चाहिँ नदेखाउने. So cancel चाहिँ गर्न पाइँदैन. So just write down the value of a. Just cancel it in your mind. 10 and 10 is cancelled. So a equals to 45. Okay, then after that, so 2 sin a cos a equals to 1. Now the question is same. Okay, I'll give you a question now. Now 2 sin a means how much? 45 into, so cos a means how much? A means 45 equals to 1. So 2 into, so sin 45 means 1 by root 2 into cos 45 means 1 by root 2 equals to 1. Then so multiply all the numbers. 2 1s are 2, 2 so 1s are 32, divided by, so root 2 into root 2, it becomes root 2 square. So square and square root will be cancelled. So 2 is the remaining number. So 2 divided by 2 means how much? It is 1. Okay. So are this LHS equals to so this left hand side, these are the all left hand side equal to ketapati. This is all called left hand side. This should match. Okay, it is like India now. So you equal to ketapati Junsan number. Okay, this answer, the last answer must match with this answer. Then we can say that okay, they are equal, they are proved. Okay, यो बराबर हो भनेर देखाउन पाइन्छ. Okay, so left hand side and right hand side, they must be equal to each other. Do not use that one this side. ए one त म यता लान्छु भन्ने पाइँदैन है. Do not use this number. Okay, so then after that, so 1 equals to 1. Okay, so this shows that our answer is correct. Okay, so यसरी proof वाला हैन, don't be happy because answer is already there. Answer कतै खोजिराख्नु पर्दैन. There is the answer. Oh my god, very difficult question. Seems to be very difficult question, but yes, the whole question don't solve it. So 2 sin a minus 45. So a means how much? A means 45. So a means 45 minus 15. 45 minus 15, 30. Okay. So sin 30 means, sin 30 means 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So what is the number? 1. 1 equals to 1. Okay. So in this way we can prove it. Okay. So these are the things you need to practice. So this is the first topic that I have revised today. Okay. So एकपल्ट तिमीहरु copy हेर्ने, practice गर्ने. So by looking at a copy only, we cannot practice all the things. So take a rough copy. So take out a class 8 old copy. Okay. So start practicing whatever you feel it difficult. Otherwise, out of 10 questions, if you can do only 2 questions, 3 questions, then also that will be enough. Because the thing you need is you need the formula, you need the value. If you are perfect in that formula and value, so okay. So that out of 10 questions, if you can do 3-5 questions, okay, 3-4-5 questions, then that may be enough for practicing math. Okay, but if you think that I am very weak in math, I cannot do, okay, so you will be very weak. Done. So okay, so that's why. So feel yourself strong in math and give your best. Okay, so okay, this much for today. So revise the trigonometry today. So tomorrow we will come with the next chapter. Okay, chapter revise garangla. So today this was only. Okay, so thank you, have a good day, and please start practicing. I want a good marks in your mathematics and in your examination. This your book wala question alikati change bhera आउँछ है. So instead of 2 sin a minus 15, it may be 2 cos, because cos is not there in the book. Okay, so the question may be different. So maybe you may be thinking that I'll cheat and all. Okay, online class हो फाइदा त उठाम भन्छ भने पाइँदैन. Online Zoom class. Okay, so remember whatever I've told you before, and you need to practice very well. Okay, so दिनभरि तिमीहरू खाली छौ, practice मजाले गर. Okay, so that was for today. So have a healthy life. Okay, so be healthy, be safe. Okay, goodbye everyone.